Hello everyone, kumusta? Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Welcome to Bisaya 24/7, your official Cebuano English tutorial on the web. Today, we are going to tackle our very first lesson, which is learning the common possessive pronouns. Ako, mine, iya, his or hers, ila, theirs, ato, ours, and that includes you. Amo, ours, excluding you. So, to start with, let us try to translate the phrase, what is your name? What, unsa, your, imo. Name, ngalan. Thus, the translation in Cebuano would be, unsa imo ngalan. And that is the most literal translation that you could get. This translation, though it expresses the most important context of the phrase, doesn't seem to be the proper grammatical translation of the phrase, what is your name? So what is missing? If we look closely, if we try to examine closely, unsa imo ngalan? That sounds right. But acceptable in the Cebuano language. So we add the words ang and nga. What is ang? Ang would be the equivalent of the English word a bridge, and an apple, the house, or it is simply used to refer to something. Nga, on the other hand, in these examples that we will be tackling today, is specifically used to link a pronoun to the corresponding object. So, just to make it a bit clearer, we will have a few examples and let's get to familiarize ourselves with the word ang. So, ang balay, that is the house. Ang iro, the dog. Ang bola, the ball. Ang imong edad, your age. Now you can simply say imong edad, that is still your age. Ang imong ngalan, your name. And for the word nga, imo nga balay, your house. Imo nga mata, your eyes. Ako nga naong, my face. Ako nga gahom, my power. Iya nga tubag, his or her answer. Now take note that iya is not gender specific. So it could mean his, it could mean her. Ila nga pamilya, their family. Ato nga pagkaon, our food. Amo nga inahan, our mother. Just to give you a few pointers. When you use the word ang, just remember that ang is used to refer to what is typically the answer to the question, what? Ang balay, what? The house. Ang iro, what? The dog. Ang bola, what? A ball. Nga is used to link the possessive pronoun to the object. But you should also remember that when you use nga, most of the time, nga is shortened by omitting the a sound. So just to get familiarized with it, let's have a few examples. Imong nga ngalan, imong ngalan. Inyong nga balay, inyong balay. Iya nga sakyanan, iyang sakyanan. Ako nga tubag, akong tubag. Ila nga gahom, ilang gahom. Ato nga pangandoy, atong pangandoy. Now for this, just remember that it's not always imo, ako, iya, ila, ato. Once the object is mentioned first, this pronoun changes into a different form. Nimo, nako, niya, nila, nato. So again, let's have a few examples. Imong balay changes to balay nimo. Now the object here is of course balay or house. Thus, when you say balay first, or you mention the object first, it changes from imo to nimo. Iyang bana. Bana is husband. It changes to bana niya. Akong anak. Anak is child. It changes to anak nako. Atong eskwelahan. Eskwelahan is school. Eskwelahan nato. Inyong tubag. Tubag is answer. It becomes tubag ninyo. Ilang katawa. Katawa is laughter. Katawa nila. So I hope you get to see the difference between how a pronoun changes its form once the object is also interchanged in the placement of a given phrase. Now to end this lesson, let's get back to the question, what is your name? The translation would be, unsa ang imong ngalan? And then, of course, if we want to say ngalan first, then the translation would be, unsa ang ngalan nimo? Well, either way you say it, it is correct, it is acceptable, it is complete, and it is the perfect translation for the phrase, what is your name? I hope you learned something today, and if you do have questions or comments or clarifications, feel free to scribble down a few message or notes below, and we will try to answer those questions in the next session. Maayong adlaw.